enjoyed the performance till now. Next, I would like to call upon UWG, You Wanna Die with their profession Undertaker and the licensed toilet roll.
They're not following the group one. I thought so. No, the next one will be this. Is it already next?
Here you come, from UWG.
Once upon a time, in a pleasant evening, at the graveyard.
Oh, you're so hot today.
Of course lah, we are not in Malaysia what?
No lah, we are in Grave. Ayo.
Oh, sorry. I forget we are actually that man for this year lah.
Hey man, stay alone. The Undertakers are coming.
This one is bring a new guy, yeah.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. Okay, let's lay it out. Second thing, Undertaker is coming. Hey, Silence, come and help me. Wow, so heavy like this man.
No.
Wow, so heavy like this man. Is he in a rope? Ayo.
No. I think this man is a sinful person lah. So much sin filled and that body so heavy and full of fat. Yo, can't stand with it only ah.
I think this man is one bad lah. Ayo, look at the body. He's twisting.
Oh, never mind. Just use it.
Okay, let's go.
C3. All that body were sexy. Aiyo, how do they know me as Mat Rempit? How come Ooh. Hi, new guy. How are you? I'm dead, man. How you like my favorite?
Why are you so sad? How did you die actually?
Oh, I'm involved in accident lah. I'm a Mat Rempit. Before this, and I see the person, so I died lah. Oh my God! So you're the one who hit me lah? hot, sexy wife. I hope you know. And then right now.
Okay. So sorry lah. So you there? How did you die, huh? Huh? I'm so ashamed. Why did you cry? Oh my man, don't be ashamed lah. Come on, tell us. Okay lah. Actually, I'm a drug addict.
Hiyo. Why drug addict so bad, ah?
Of course, man. I eat a lot, but I have no time for it. Oh, drugs. It's not good, man. Many teenagers out there are involved to it, and it's not good to our country. Yes, I know. But why did we not meet before? If not, I will not be here because of drug addiction. Maybe I will be a model or truck driver right now.
Hello guys, it's Lit Arena Way.
Yeah, you are right. Let's continue our chatting in the next Meltec 2011. Okay.
So that's all from us. So let's use Jim. Ready guys?